HT Beats production.
There is nothing wrong with your stereo set. Do not attempt to adjust the sound. We are controlling the music. If we wish to make it louder, we will bring up the volume. If we wish to make it softer, we will tune it to a whisper. We will control the bass. We will control the treble. We can roll the beat, make it fuller. We can change the sound to a subtle clarity, or sharpen it to a tighter bass. For the next 4 minutes, sit quietly, and we will control all that you hear. We repeat, there is nothing wrong with your stereo set. You are about to participate in a great adventure. You are about to experience the awe of mystery which reaches from the inner mind of this beat.